Moving on to adrenergic neurotransmitters. Before discussing biosynthesis and metabolism, let's first understand catecholamines. A catecholamine is a monoamine neurotransmitter which contain a catechol ring, that is, a benzene ring with two hydroxyl side groups. This is the catechol ring, which is also called as pyrocatechol or 1,2-dihydroxybenzene, which contain a benzene ring along with two hydroxy groups. Along with this ring, catecholamines contain the side chain amine. This is the side chain amine present in all three structures. This side chain have only one amine group, as we are saying, has only one amine group, hence they are monoamine. They are the organic compound which are 3,4-dihydroxy or catechol derivatives of phenylethylamine. Derivatives of, this is the phenyl ring, this is the ethyl chain, and this is the terminal amine group. In all the three structures, this is the phenyl ring, this is the ethyl chain and the terminal amine. Similarly, this is the phenyl ring, this is the ethyl chain and the terminal amine group. All these catecholamines are found in mammalian tissues. In all the structure, we are seeing catechol ring in the red color, then there is ethyl chain and a monoamine group at terminal position. Examples of catecholamines contain epinephrine, norepinephrine and dopamine. Catecholamines are produced mainly by the chromaffin cells of the adrenal medulla and the postganglionic fibers of the sympathetic nervous system. Dopamine, which act as a neurotransmitter in the CNS, is largely produced in neuronal cell bodies in two areas of the brainstem, that is the ventral tegmental area, that is VTA, and the substantia nigra. The neuromelanin pigmented cells bodies of the locus coeruleus produce norepinephrine, and the epinephrine is produced in small amounts in the medulla oblongata of the brainstem. All these neurotransmitters have a specific role in the nervous system. These catecholamines play a significant role in the functioning of the nervous system, including modulating mood, arousal, and the stress response. The first of these catecholamines to be identified was N-methyl 3,4-dihydroxyphenylethylamine, that is epinephrine or adrenaline. But the results of series of investigation indicated that the transmitter released from the sympathetic nerve endings was not epinephrine. It is now generally accepted that norepinephrine, that is noradrenaline, is the true sympathetic neurotransmitter.